How to loop video in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Import the video you want to loop. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the video on bottom above Add Audio. And in bottom, scroll all the way to the left till you find Copy or Duplicate option. Click on Copy. Extend the video to 30 seconds or any second you want. After that, your loop video is ready. If you play it, it's gonna play in loop. After this, simply click on top right corner and save it. And this is how to loop video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.